What does ye? Aye, chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kona kwa Judy.
What can't keep? Yeah,
I'm sorry. Oh, be I just appeal for 1 woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA. I should share sa a dready and cat to him. I dare to say a ye.
Honey, I never surprise you.
Me did the Diane latter parts of the program. No, you will be telephone lines no at their mom. Now, most of my drink tray, opinions, Bunineka, Mudina Abba, na HSA. Most of them feel excited. What I say, me did say, oh, baby, I will be. I fast the PCA, MIA, a design herbal center for 1 more normally a design herbal capsules, a baby, somebody design mesh, and a design herbal capsules, a bebo. So we be man so baby no baby enkoye no bi be fine o your ba onso no bi bia e be fine oba nso gugu basa 7 pediasa pampa bi sebi if you are him fi ho no me eneba oba bi multimus na fi ho no 7 pediasa e ho bi make am for edusan herbal capsules amount say onso no memene bi o memene bia bi be unique na ho na bon so dofo obeti aka so to say steam no magnet e be no de bia na oto won chen baby bia wo bia no anase yade bia e ha wo bia no ma homne so na bra Kumasi abontene so ame macro golf filling station echi e ho na be ho Edison Herbal Center for gonorrhea syphilis candida yade bia butchi ne dru ha e besa yade no e de amount WhatsApp number didi juma e da screen so bit me do messages afaso ye be kenkan e de amount ma memra studio na me mama offer e na the adorable ojam akwaba Nafi no yefeju medie no ehihyeso of akwabo ase kokoiche so da su gina Valentine no emeso me rehu bi
that dem na me se mo party bi press over na afum kra ti se Valentine wana mu se mo party ko nya me ko ma se o baba ya me na go be ya ba to wa zaka obi afa che kra mandra
obi afiu na je se wo de ya doge o ye mobo
na me bedi na gubo bedi na gubo
no anya hwe wow nice one bebe
sweetheart
bebe ni
wade
branie
e kan kredi ye hu
branie
sister ni
na se nya na bi me je adwumi
dabi nai dabi izo ya mampanyin ya mutete tusu amamfo di o matem e kan kwasasem kire wo mu ya de wo ye mistake ne ko kansem kire wa mo si buei ofani lumba ne ojam ye ne dan ya ye nye esi bibia ko ka papa dan ya ye grade o ene grade to mu suma mo di wo mu no o mo nsesa na yesu ya nsesa ne no mo se benya menya de mo ye mitimi nya bi
okay
what is what making the ni pay ye no a se de so mu fom so mu ye star se de so mu fom so se de so o mu di mu no do mu ye no ye quality wo mu so mu ntie no ni ntimi nya
ye chia o ya ma ya nto program
ya na me wura wo fa me wura ko nra
di kan ye kan on kan
enya
to na be se wo se damu de wonya no so de ba be si won fa mla
abutse se me chia
but the chin na fuja so me say yes
eh
aba krakra
ko ko to be
enya bro
ko to be
gu na me de mwaso aka
min ko menim
woni ma
me da se bra Opatre mbaka bado to bazo zoba oba opa dem boa
gozi adom fie unsa ko bi wo yi o se no su abrobo
okay
so sa sin wie bi o se mi wo su abrobo adom fie who
so you don't fear who you fear who I know me confess story making headlines on today's Koowaa Show. Now, director be a friend say Frank Gabin, and I also Edin Nasa. Yani esika kum. Ya je kwa no mrafo yenkohwe video no.
Wasembre wana eye ni wo ma da kan fu nyina. Already show mo kwantenti no mpo mani hwade. kakra America nyina ne se fan ga because eja ko ye to for me na nyaade eja ko nse mo kan yi ene wo ba se wo be collect ni nyina ko ti ba wa ne ita ade no enim na mo fa ye mo so e compano chi nti je se beta plache mo woro to ho na eja ko pina ya nkanya ne to na mba wo wo se mi ntwaade na mi kusu ntwaade no na duru ba bi wo se me na ye hu se me woro me ho ampa na mo se ho de du bi be na ho na trace that story na ne mo ampa se ri pa na ye
okay
which is eja ko de wo mutirim se mo de na ye sa ade ni
all right
and the drew on a pene so obey because don't you find a jan to a bontin na mamo fine you be is over gas a moka so on fan to emra bontin naked ni ntwa no ampena entro na wo so wo ye na ye de here
okay
ze wa se mo ni pa o kan me am nim se de o masem tie movie industry na say eja ko hu ne ho se wo firi mu nti e ka hu bi na abasa that just for musum hunu ni se light and de mu ye nti ada ne yam fani so wi she betima kan ye ho abo na adwuma ne nkwa nanim na obi eputu brem abibifo ne ame yenye ni o ne ama yenye ni yesem ye mfa fo ne ntoa ene ye de ato na sabe abofom so rishi be na esi e be fan ni bi a e benya ye fo ne ye gya na da so da fom o na nkoko otia so koba ne ye de brem ma obi abetu kontam nto na ba bia pan ne nko a nke ngoso da bia mba ni tim e be da no obi so abetia so bi ne ye buja sa na wan fo ne do etie so nye ojam na gya fo ne bo ni o jam no so mpepa de no emfa de ne mabiem etiase e pe industry ni ngoso a they say nyame adom like mu atamweso e so omuso ne this coming legends o like mu your friend say ras na ne mo no
mo die bia no e bia YouTube tu ye deleta untim ka se memfa wuntwa first pa memfa wuntwa chebe na wo dansa chebe na me ye deleta mi na me yamam sika etam sa tobe no a se industry no o manya ma na kofom no o munyai ye nwe ye ho se YouTube no mi wo bi ina fa bibia mu wo fa wo bi e de na betima kire obi
yeah
se ni bia na ba mo ye hu se wo bia YouTube no a concert na de betum bia ye bere e ta ko na mama bra o wa yo wayo si o ye fan say ayi wa ku manu mu o ko don cancel get up from here go what ya bere for bia na me de za ku na ba ti na fe na me be ba set for mo be pam me na fe na be don do me na fe na be jam say me na me star no me na me say no
okay
ya ko pom bonus utimi bia bi utimi di na kade so utimi hwese de esi kwa ubenya ukaka wadidi won ko set no da leta mi nkobu kwase ya won ko da leta mi man kasa da ma de
ene se na abawa ye fe say edusafo o de sem bia betujwa o say adonko mopa munyi ne free eye mo advert na so but dey tina man cancer. Let's watch the video and come right now.
Me ne magic lead character no yes advert no people were on see when people be out me money 2 cedi on opia but no anya ka from ka say hanko free man $1 million sana na metie one will say and I wish nobody would leave this character exaggerating about staffs
okay
but I could say metie abroche say some makoko abroche amunini mu na I think said that advert no e can come in adwuma biem but it gave us nothing. Okay, if anybody wants to see the truth, watch my life and watch the guy's life. Magic. You know what I'm telling you is true. That advert gave us nothing. I decided to me papa sempa. It is our donor me warm papa form. I gave it to the man. Me on record again. Even anybody who even hates me, I want that advert to tell you the truth. I am one among the few girls, Papa so me no fumu so me kwakoda. But most of these girls in Kumawood do Papa na kowo. Do you understand what I'm saying? And so you should know, sir, we didn't go there for any public interest. Am I interested? Yes.
The question was, were you paid? Voiceover for telenovela. I'm being paid.
You are saying I'm in. No, I don't have any contracts with them. Okay. And yes, also you can do something out of love.
So it was a verbal contract. It was a verbal job.
But what did they do for us?
So they don't own you.
No. So they should check my advert off.
Right. Were you paid?
Paid for until other
Paid some way. At least free one pocket.
man free Franco.
Like Chariots who are free one pocket.
Oh, see, family got sorry.
The likes of Obi to say, Lucky Mensa, what's not allowed so winning.
Yeah.
Lucky Mensa, the allowed the phone and half of chocolate of Pulo Sumo. Oh, we are the one by sport. DJ Ashma, DJ Nammy, a waitress. And Lucky Mensa will buy coke for everyone.
Yeah.
So, and also Lucky Mensa, and you. Free the clip. No.
Relax here. One good analysis, but at the end of the day, let me come in for you know Supreme Court right now. Okay. So what can petition? I mean, sure, baby. Say, or the Lucky Man Sunday a video clip no a musical. And to make us lucky for you, want to make us image across Africa. For what have you paid me? What you
you video series it was on their network.
I remember, yes, yeah.
Wait, did you pay them?
Yes, I remember that time.
Barter trade.
Good, that's excellent.
So you did a barter. So you did a barter trade. You did a barter trade.
That time no muso munyi. That time na Efias was nega na ye production manager wo. Also munyi me series because me won 9 seasons, me won 9 episodes. It was some me de 4 ne kan. When I called the man myself, get on this papa ne catch me say Efias then I me pon won tia onya madam for. It me kwahwehwe no like na da me nya sanko for ni bi. It later on kwa no mo je advert ni ye den.
Hey, and some more, and some ACC Chrome, but my mama offer. I want to start with you. And some are okay. But Aroma, send us if Philip for home.
No, but there was an Indian transfer. Ama, you move it, I am passing. Applying said, Yaya was in Libroso. All right, Yaya for Passia. Na the young catcher was a one said, Becca crowd, 18 more. Couldn't say depending some can be pen, when your chance of pen, but said we see you soon into Sechina, who could be more on your view. I am a young granny, you review. Young man said, Send your okay in I no Kurumpa. This place, the right place, I am trading commodity. And go with a penny is soon. A Panama Faso will be Papa and a transecasa. No one, so I've been one who said. And pass some work at your task with your wardrobe, or so I can't be set beyond our wardrobe. I said, upon one yacasia. Some going to mean your baby mouth. So, just a yet, and Angel TV. A more of our previous share could I say, any that's really soon in sports here. I buy one. How much more when Namo Soa, a money Nesca, and I said, they will finish home book now. Kainoa, a 7 can win to me. 7 years to go as a Quran, according to Genesis chapter 30 verses 22. Or say, Osa Kai, Naba, when it be. That's an Enkaye, our homo Udipa, Udipa read to me, Udipa to me at the Ekai. So, as a massive, it in Canada, Panan can right way be a, never be an animal more, never be about Braco, no one could have passed in the dim como. Nunca said we Bob Ryan, Cano Crunch, and a party, and you free no, then you wouldn't have passed in the dim como. So I got training when leaders crown and rather cast much or more call Moncha Kukomudia. And the idea dance says, only Papa Bradroom Bensovia, you never be any name for one lady. Jababa and Dianaba. Miss under management in Tino, Onica, no more. One and 7. The best ever, but Salmon transfer might be Mansa, as some being and Sana, if you are more Mobia, Amodia, go walk him. Make my planning good at 2 of you.
Gay, I walk, I say, will you bonia for?
Okay.
In terms of your bonia for, say, some double Sudan Chem said, dear, to go and give good swimmer for I would say. Neighbor, and the pioneer in Kayas and making. Get me back. What did the cocoa trail? What the boy, what the therapia, a cocoa trail? What the magic, a cocoa trail? And that cocoa take us say, when you are one cry. It's a form of advert, mammy. Okay. What the cake magic and a pine, a fire. Sounds I gave me. There be some darkness who never be a one echo. And son was every shoe. As I'm a cocoa tree, cocoa to so, Penita was I do try. What do you pine and I was right?
No, God, it's them found last.
So we are to miss any point, any point about 1 was Rakrana, and then can get him crash. What was in the way to do? Some was what about Ejen kwashe.
Okay.
Samdakus ado ko.
Kasa wa kasa ne kala life.
Oh, ne kala life ni batumtum. Wo dia ya di ko chama chiro. Ye tira de bam kasa mu. Na me ba.
Aya na mafo was.
Ya mafo was ye.
Okay.
Nipa bonia ye. Nipa bonia ye. Ne na ntia ya papa.
Yeah.
Nipa de na mu a. Wo ye bibi manu a. Wo ti bin kai no. Wo ye dangerous.
Okay.
Sa nipa de so no. Wo ye no ko papa no ko di 100 million ka. Wo se je. Wo ko de ka de kura ko no. Wan kra Samdakus. Advert bia papa ibo modin he wa mo boy didi ene o boy boli talapia o ye advert o didi wa ma ayi sa ko ya ayi ya friend say magic en so ya advert on so bon san wo so didi wo so wa ma so so do wa ma so ko nim ko ne dai Samdakus o ye boni e meka ni so no ni bu no ba ni so no advert da dalates fo no stars fo no mutim ku bia ni maseye
all right
Suba was a so when you for the bus of Dakusua, the moment you know about Nubako, Sadakus was a pada. I am Kumano, once a baby knows to try to visa, Tum Tetia. Also, Yazan to offer in India, or Pacific, a drink. Sadakus decided to buy. Yes, no, info, and I don't feel. Go to show. Samdakus to the same Pujano. There were Bonia. When you Bonia, Usikasa, friend of Papa, the patronage of Memonia. And that's what to be to know. Why is it to tell you what to see Kamoni? Who is your name? Who is for Ayana? So what fire do na ehon sem no so akoye bubrija. But I want to come on YouTube so couple of messages but before I do that my first story way Emra, and when I come back my baby the YouTube messages no sorry I me say cost to be me say finally guru and so Eddie Biaba be twitwa de kobaya e ma ne ko kan say Kwame Eugene wo match say wo ma me no nyanyum refi say me na me so on sa
ni mu ambaso because two artists and I agree to be on a song. Inti say Baku make effort to find out when, how, because when is it coming out? That's a response number. I think say either way I won't be disappointed. Say one year, maybe I should believe in your timing, but the energy minya for 3 days or 4 days near Mampe. Reason is say akwai ade a yaka me twem na woti hwa na yabeka kire say collaboration na menye no which sounds like enro ade na mabeka. Meanwhile 3 years because of you have a bad blood with my boss, that means I should resolve my issue with your boss before we can do the collaboration. Then I had no issues with your boss. Until so can say resolve my issue with your boss, it seems like or that at the end. So if it is sanity there, why won't they just come out say we won't do this collaboration because of this, instead of say abofrey etimi bie na no aka say sorry resolve that issue with the boss. And I felt so bad and I made me humble letter me show man me nim say obetimi akan letter na mana echo trigger this whole issue. Letter no by na me feel say bia he will come out and retract that statement because it's not collaboration for now. And he went on and said he did it out of loyalty. Then I sat back and I'm like, no, loyalty dear, I mean sure deal na when you ambassadorial deal ne free mono. A true me team they introduce you with team to that deal. So if it is loyalty, I didn't hear me team no share love out of loyalty to help you instead of you concluding a collaboration as loyalty in team survey. Then I felt say industry, where are we going? If loyalty ne say many ashes stay here, ashes are me. In this ashes dimiti mean say koshije mu amen so menhwe mane fa min sam koshije.
But mama mi sabi busy.
Yeah.
Time and now person in here collaboration. Say now him say Kwame Eugene and links.
Of course.
So were you working it through links or through friendship, brotherhood?
This is what we did. It was the first approach. The first approach with two artists. okay, you was our rapport because this is my first time I share a young artist. So we're dealing with artists. The very day we left, man, take charge with that, making sure the collaboration works. So that part was the one doing the communication with links, because the part and links, they are like that. So if me get feedback from the part, that means a dear.
Guru akasa ojana ba ho guru nsema wakengi na no I say no oluki friendship aspect na nye because I say ojame pese me no ya dia na and na say bia we and some dark kusa me have who be breeze me cause some dark kusa ho because he be a some dark kusa issues but rather no me no ye friendship na with me friend me with me fro ye dia grani adi no e was say sorry ya no o ma me akonya ma me no ye de pese me
any was
okay
gulu wo han se me particular dia nka me nka ba se no e me twa so kamnya da jekona na mama blanca minya da jekona fre gulu musa na sasim bi mami e se yedi ka kasasim yedi ka bobo ano da be transfer wo woni management wo woni coach wo sra wo da kono wo wo kono ko ka jense wo sra no da me pesa me ni akwane ye nwom eye bu eye respect so ada na akwane che ni nyansa wo mbeso be fa dai de ko mi yije kan afu so be ne wom mi ntasi o dai ante se bi no ye free na se bia wo fa se wo si mi nkasa yi now many di wo fa enam se bi no ye free na se bi no fa ye free ntino me be twa wo fa ne kwa fa ko ye adwuma abra no permission na ma ba fa ko no fa enam so ni me free nti no ko ya wo jam yanko to mo ba ne asi bi omu buza wamu ya na omu no edini na ewuwo omu dini na ati konti a ye hu omu ntino asam ka kra bia no matuni twan na ye asi bi nya samwa eze mutuni twan oni friend ni kura no sa se mu tete mu kire no a na bo na so mienu a obo se dia gulu uye udifo gul dai any manager
man say Kwame Eugene catcher and say enke be ya onko ne boss wo omo nka mo ntam asem wi a kana ko guru ne no ewo wonchu ka
ko pasa ni wonchu ana be fa wonwa be fa kwad na ko yaduma
na the friendship na mewe
guru be jade wonya na wonya de wonya no wanyini banyini nya sa banyini ya ka sam kire wa eti ko osum se wu issue bi ba na wo ye panina e ba ya wo so hu se issue na bi enam niye ana wo so asam so guru di wo di kakana ni di na tiko what was all lunch with Dino? So good, I may say, you should have lunch with you. A bit not be by a lunch man, and was it Yaboni? What does one make? What a lunch here? You want to pay with one lunch amount of a lunch, it's my lunch. You want to drink a Bible fee, what to drink to cover fee. Enough is enough. That's all.
All right.
What that's all? When are the Oyan? Now you cry. You get it, no, my Naka. You get it, no, my Naka.
Ndoka mo se oja
oh mi ani ya ho sa ko don kansa hia ko don kansa mi ni tax e wa ko don kansa ka ta tete and up to now wo mienu wo mi mo di wuti wi ase so ye panyini na wo twen kwana abata ho a dodo ne enye me hu nye na ese wo ye gulu wa de o ye no a meti no twetwe sum
no abate
e de so no
ba ja de so
mana ye juma bakada mana ye juma bakada good nana what are you doing bakada
yeah
me manage Kwame Eugene me and form no every time na se ko wa
abutre ofa mama sakasa
na mi shakulu
okay
na botre se de nsem ne ba se de nipa bi aka afam na so ye busa na what me nya botre echichi no so improve
okay
ya kono de muso bi ba na ki na on ki agwa ma enkone ba dan ma nke bi ama so ti ya fa ya ne kwa ne ka say so am mu say o make sense
yeah
ya yo ni wa ba ku mi ri wa ya ntia si o ya so ya bre yo say ni pa ya mo ya ni ba ya mo so sa me ya adwuma bi na wo so ye bi no sa mi hia wa e different from some that is ye different business no hia
okay
isi ya tu we sa him fu say number 1 hene ana kofi abri phone so a se bia na mi di ma fa hye bi edure ye di kwan so a me ba okoko na eduru a odi woni mo nyima beta machi a ongosi management so what you say ready staff was ongosi o mo so we fa phone afre ni ni ya di mo nyama ba beta no management na di a hye mama no
okay
but global cast of person na nankoja na yi a kira de nsa kwa ahemfie na woto obo ye de ye ma oda that way na betena se ijani na mehia answer nti wo for process mu before you see nana
sure
agos ma hin betima frɛ nana se si ana na kofia betima stop se announcement si aba sa na game ne tie ya ntiase a ye bebere esi ano e na mentiase akɔ e na me ya atiri bi ase na ya tie ya adwuma yi ye nua delay ana na mama bra betima frɛ wo dan straight sa yam fa wo mta dan we dey be show no that say me pese wo ba betena so mama who dey take you say wo ba boss am da guza mane from so na me man appointment bi no dey anya bone ana say wo momu ka wi na same ma akwan afrense na na manya akwanya di metimi aba e me ya yonkofa bo obi a wonche bi a ne ni ayonkofa bi apeso ofre wa onya number ko betima afre ba wo betima kire na akwanya say ko ni ba asumasi so na ene ne nkokasa eji say ye hwe ni yie dia ene ye nua be market wa no ene guru ani ni yie
okay
because ono management wo problem but chance ba yo hu se be boa wo no adogi problem no ene o makasa me akopra ma
okay
it is no kura ketia yangofa ono no hu ne se sa de ne kire wo management ne se oni bibia atia mu biem it is that ho de na afa de minia no hia ne se o meboa me dia ade na no de mo se etumo ena wo se wo ko no akasa o wo se na se gulu mu na boa ma yeso nya we bo so hia me me kura me je de bia nsam na wo ntimi mamo de ye nda yeso yango boa no hu se bibia ni wait wo word ne betuma mama ni jaji atu ana obeka to se kache gulu so on frame
okay
go bia nkanka bom no kura ho na wo na so ga me no makasa bom se from
because anka bom ni nti a all painting na or dog is a problem no e man management e die ni mo nya
do ko ye se no dia mo ko ji de a ada no no ni
na mo de o da so la la
jabi bi wa woti asia
eje enyeska
woti asia ye tia ana sa akodi e fra wo kwa mi do am fra management according to how kasa wo be ye interview ye say my politics no say wo de nye politics bia na ye na sa akena fra wo say wo tunum bi ndo so be ye call so say be ye wan wani ma na akoye eno no wan kan just fra management na management fra wo je sa akena de we so superior to say oni de ofra won de obekọ na we fra de de
so ne ma
ya woni ma bi wo ha mba mchew ye bobra ye ntiase ayonkofa ye different than business obi betima ye adwuma ye baba despite wo hoi enye yi so obi be wura no ne office o kwa o be freeway afa president ya ka do say papa de obenya ne pa e Friday ba kwa despite so ohunu eye kokutia ebe ya simple so be kwa ku wo was say am wo adwuma mba mba wo say we dan management o be duru wa so kura wani bona nima o be nim no ndi no so be papa wanya wo so manemra eti business no omo ye na ahu no ye different than ofra bonten ba be wuram eti osi aso ye ti sa ade na say woda corner no ne ehunu sa ne sa ade akwa mi ji so ne from baby one try
okay
yenye ye dipa
what try
yenye ye dipa wo jam tuwe eti mi ma say china bi kura so oni da na tv bia beto na mpe so ya ade ma me mekwa ko from nja mini mani da bia mini ma ya mpa da me no wo jam njam bra ma bre ne bra so wa bre di ma fro so jam china woni sa papa ye ne ye say ne bra ne yanko eti wo na bia wa ko ye on to mani da dia hye mani monyam o ma me sa process ne ntu so go and say na o punish na I ungrateful as me amema ye
obi onu manager nkasa ono manager nkasa be no tima fa
ba ono manager nkasa
ba e wona ni hiao bisa me no ono nkasa na me ni modia me wa konya bia za me frɛ wo wo dia za na se na frɛ bi wo ha ye de sa dia no titoma emoa
all right
ye kure tima fa so ama odo na ba se be say odo ye adwuma wo di sam no manager nkasa me no ye free me frɛ wo no nka right time a wo mo ngra fa ma sa dia ni si ebi kura betima to sa frɛ me chama wa ye dia be ko na nim ye hya ba bi ni ani nkomo se ye be wa be hya na manager to na nka wa kura to say that we dey money nim guru aboa ye
anti my ya anti
so me hu so hia ba hu se mo so mo ne da ko ene bi ni ana tia o ye pe ni ye ntwa so ni enko boa na nyefe ka wa ye right job no jade bi o di baba obetuma ba tete won me wo so de ne ye nokore wudi bim ba na nka wo kwa betuma fa so de asumdie ni nyina be ba me nyina kwa
okay
di kwa me so nhwe wo ye one try
kwa me so nhwe wo ye na so away from nana Kwandos is of Lumba. This man pie, hey, wisdom talk pie new Obed from Takwa in Swayim. Obed, yeah, that's it for watching us all the way inside Takwa in Swayim. Prosper Sefa says the president of Ghana must award offer. God bless you. Tom Paul says it seems to me that This guru guy will understand. Well, that's cool. I have this one from a heavy duty magistrate offer near wisdom, near offer wise man. Collins Amankwa Ojam, sometimes you are not on top of issues. Did you listen to Guru well? The management of Guru was actually talking to you 3 years ago. Then recently, Eugene came out to reply Guru in a disrespectful manner instead of replying Guru's management. So baby.
Me ma ko bo manager man eze minya. Mo ama me muaye. Na wa kra na ba de kunja ma ma muaye ne say oni ye manager ye fi tani ni ko ye fi. Ye ka we tire ni apani.
So na so wa kasa se me so an kwata se mo waka.
Wan kan ni kra.
Right. O be hu ya won hwe
ye de on hwe hu ye.
Apam peni se no.
Na say de na o so ka dino in say.
Na pete no.
Bibia be fine.
Enim ko twa say.
Rati Magister says offer ya nyansafo pa ko
penyini fifi prat. Minhia oda ba one me akasa pen. Minhia o baby ada ba one me akasa pen. Na me no wa adwuma so rainbow da ba no pono na wo landing na me mo Accra. Still ye nhia ba me seniors wo ba da de bia ma ti ase wo wiase ne kire say sabi producer the first obi adi woni mu nkan wa brabo mu nkire say oni bibia sen me advice am de ba wan say ye nyina e radio presenters ye nyina host programs ma ne nye say wo show no enipa mra wo show no so na omumbegu amanfo ho fi e wo show so enipa mra wo show so na ombeke kan se mungu amanfo so de bia na say de bia fa no trendy da bi enye sana mi Romeo me yema dwuma wa ha me interview sa me ye no enye sana me ye no me oba me busa question enti me advice am de be ma on say fifi ate utie mi a e ma ne nya o de se de bia no ye betena wo show so a ye mbeke kan manfo ho nsem ko asa de bia na I say hey na I say I take you by surprise bi esu ni nyina na uwom na ye kan mo meslo yanyina manfo adwuma ne ye yenye ni ye se wo ma wo kwan ema ye se girl bi de adu safo wa se de mi nimupo na girl wetin betena wo show so ebe kasetia kwakutin a ni radio stations wo Ghana ha bebrebe na wa ma ho kwan ma girl we betena wo show so na wa kasetwi papa we na wantimi an stop no na wa hwa ma na keka owia na odi delay dia bam na odi ochiami kofi dia bam na odi station dia bam na odi matan kuma dia bam no de nana Romeo dia bam no de Andidos dia bam na eya ofe
no offer waka bi e dia che so hwe wo makwan na che say na se bia wa makwan ama edusafo abet na o show so no kan we ya so we na presenters na we dia say ntwe won na adwen
come is am
50 prat in the host no
ma pa o gbon na
wow
na we mean so abom no na famu kidi no so kidi no if studio
I am not cry FM yeah
we your can say well in times we said what you have to
baby
so for so just have to town be again maybe some one question say on call baby I will disappoint you be time on that it's not yet the same trend in beginner or sharp to be make it that attempt no say artists what ones are friend no we need see come your traffic issue ho
parties won't be on my they intentionally do that.
You don't have to walk while we are out. Kakrebi or better, and your home debate me fire. After washes any panels, no one have seen an amount to add. Because Nibas I am feeling to so. I saw walking out, sir, upon so a chair, or the patrol buy. It don't respect one goes you. It is so to me, do you know, Quadia. I was also this any DNA. I name of an uncle when I'm going to show. What you have some answer. But to me, as I did you do a kind of say, hey, I'll quite ready and didn't say. Your friend is in
50 parts. Romeo,
dear, Aquano will discipline yet. Anybody would they do Chronoa. I am a penny yasin. Sadia would do before one who ye be. So ye be dear. That's a wood to before a dear. I want the eye. You and Yasin chose that you are. Yeah. What you say?
Okay.
Ghana, bread we say a tear symbiasi, ABTA. Ababa Yasem is a 50 platter among a choir. A idea when you no one among Keka, Abraham Papa Kutente.
Okay.
our this anything. And some more big platform, no one can be when you move first, not just say, Sadia Nedin in your new years, or Namina when you abuse soon channel. And you give up a good thing, now say any dear check. It is a my platform, what to me, if you only one hypocrite now, why be at the back, and you won't know brand new contumpo. All right. But I had a woman can be a beat in his head. Say, if I had to extra level, be said, I asked him the day, I had a desire, and you put this stop to. Now I have a how on a car. So just as a member of the Juma in Jamaica, and no dear, say, if I had more of a kind of baby, dear man, come and I cannot put on idea with you. No more woman when you're on country and say, Ebi obi host program. We are the people who do the atamwa. Want to me guys at me then you film that was so. And the program. Okay. I'm the work presenter. And I know says I'm a movie. That's all you be telling you know the atam. Never can never host to. And answer. On Kanko. About one in the dinner. What you have done? It's your best. That's all. Montes are the answer. Yemi be here, but say I ask you doom the spiritual. See, I'm young with you in Yansa channel. See, I see and you ask a room episode do my okay. Because I program no because program be an here. When you jam up who interview, I can send a woman in near from some young said you jam kind at Tessa and Tessa on 1 day. Name of jam started on Saluma boy. A boy, dear, no one knows a yes and dinner friend. I know the account no more. And no one who took it for their fine. Okay. But some be how be no channel idea. Also be to me channel near okay. I did obey Ebian Great Yamana Pranis and Yapana anybody and so by them. But I can't see a wounded 3 months, but Panadana also. Every girl, but never seen a crowd, I so pretty good man by Ano. But you say what I said about Penny woman near Ban also. No one said Missy can say any concept the first Abia, good if I don't have him, Pamame. It is an interview and give us of a view. Then I blunt some more kind of Romeo. I quite say, Papa pay my say, it to Akura for say, Akura, Jamape. Now, Kranaka say, Papa, you, Mate. Okay. Now, I can't never tell you no. Now, Papa, and sat down about not the neighbor. Very last will be better or Pamon. I know we saw Flo be an interview, also can't say, whom you know the same thing. Whom you know the one skate. Jadia is away at the Jabaka, I dare you so you say friend Fonso. Would you know? Interview, yeah, would have a time. Who's the walk? Okay. What does one make? Yes, it will be a penny pa. And you soon in the bank. Okay. And you will a penny pa. Stop it. Open the answer, and no bones with the answer. And the answer is a who say, ah, when you are a biapra, and a shower. Who never show. Ja, interview you said, only yet in ya. You also yet in a year. Hey, you didn't answer by pan. Yanni away. A minute, one scale. When you did the same DJ. Don't even sound young. And I can't show me, sir. What did you know? I've done why you be. And the future to do to well, yeah, why you be? Two son what I could do for. Now we dance on away. I'm already a month for trending. Into a trending. I tell him, Papa. I tell him. So we don't need to say, was it no more renew? What did you do? No more renew. What do you know? I have done it. Yes. So we will be young for so move to the floor. One can you says, oh, jam, put more fire. Heavy duty Madrisa says, this Romeo, you have forgotten what you have done to hand that have helped you. Hypocrites. Whoa. Okay. Heavy duty came back to see that you Romeo, Boniaye like you. Platform for defamations. Kwabna Kiki Kamwan says my company needs distributed, and I think that for that one is another ball game altogether. So you can just give us a call here at Kumawood TV. Na etimia say Jumano Eddie Amani Ajuska. But I don't read your message. If you want us to do or business, they understand. It may also offer. God bless you. I'm Emmanuel from Kintampo. And this one also says that please always talk about a job money, but they didn't talk about billions of. Anyway, this one I don't think this is an audio, so I can't play an audio here. Happy birthday, Mianka Samin boss some darkus or say Yaminya Kuma Swadi in our mouth. Na to say Oma Unyasika be brave. Send away your man a crowd for your wife.
Auntie Richie, happy birthday to you. Lumba, you talk well, pa. Now my boy is becoming unbecoming, pa. Kwame Eugene, offer, advise him, pa. What should be careful. Offer, we reserve one of the Council of State from Super Romeo. Thank you. Joshua from Achimako Florida. Wow, offer you do. This one says, Diana, I love the way you dress, pa. Keep it up, you're beautiful. Sule Ahasan, I'm watching you from Kintampo, Bono East. Offer you too much. I have this one also here that says, please, what are you saying? What you're saying is never true. Watch the video very careful before you react. At Ujam from Robert Kelly. Robert Kelly, which of the stories are you talking about? So I think you can bring it back to me so that Ujam will know the kind of story or tackle it probably. Gabby, please, Ujam, Bra talk. Really? I have this message also here that says, hi God, that Adonko is my favorite. So if if you do rubbish things, you will see. Rubbish things be our papa and his man. Good morning. God bless you all. Koowaa is the best program in Ghana. Here, keep it up. Escobar GH, thank you. I can't read this message because there's a couple of there are audios and lots of them, lots of stuff in it. And see, me cause more friend munjai friend we enye phone in. I support Romeo cause she called Angel TV a petition TV. I know another beef is coming. Beef play. In fact, hi, my name is Emmanuel. I love your words from Recom with the audio eka hona audio dear. Wadaroma means me kind. Me caught my last story so making headlines on today's Koowaa Show. Na Abranti a friend and say yeah why you see. Or also the same question.
It's me very fast. Me drive up, me show my name straight and all around.
Yeah, that's a mark of a good driver.
Yeah, who is a phone ukran? One I'm signal a jaku. Me am father.
Okay.
Signal
the code koi.
Ono no depends.
Okay.
Because some go phone na so do mu na tem.
Yeah.
Obi obatibi house or you remember how now we Jimmy said we remember we Jimmy. And you know, omo ho nyina no di obi atem. Eti ho na me catch just say
Mission of Ujam insulted fellows.
I don't know. See, I don't prompt to just say any possibility before somebody me car number cross no. Almost stop na say me car ni ben na o video ni omo move around ni na. And cry kaya and talk cry. But still na me movie. No mo share video no delete here. Ansana me continue ko no. Me man kama no mo asem. Program na we no. Me nya copy ni bi. Ana me de mam CID.
Okay.
It's date. Asem see you know. Ne kwan ya time am fa so ko. No. Ana me kan ye. So no video no ni tro ne. Me no mo asem.
So mo ye na ma a prompt na so ko ye bibia. Okay. Internet is asem no how far yes ana de called akusi say.
Oh, anam kasa juma no ran kasa e nyina ye one industry player.
Okay.
Ono kwa no nim say ebe koso say nka wa o twa bibia so nti nya asem no mrefi and that's it.
Oh, okay. Let's say there ano ba ama ba akwa akoto. You see there's no wahala.
Bibia no be bet me di mom nam se mom no TV station and enfanye programs.
Na akoba say the program no eda so beda on social media handles.
No dey now.
And dey now.
But for dey
wahala.
Bibia no be bet me di mom nam se mom no TV station and enfanye programs.
Na akoba say the program no eda so beda on social media handles.
No dey now. But for dey
wahala.
Bibia no be bet me di mom nam se mom no TV station and enfanye programs.
Na akoba say the program no eda so beda on social media handles.
No dey now.
And then now,
I can't even stop smiling. No discussion. Mami call me messages so I mean no discussion. No discussion.
Why are they about?
Me say no discussion. Enti mo amugwa abrochira eya na mo didi atem mo free nipa na mo ke cancer mo threaten na mo di atem no yes you abusuafo ye kra ye ready process story we kra ye be treaty me body impo na ye treaty so I am putting it in the dustbin enti me cause na me read the messages na ya pum onyame what's it Romeo pa onyame hunu wo mobo okay nyame hunu mobo. Then I love you too much. Some people says offer today dear I'm not actually agree with you because if the lady has problem with Mr. Oten she must actually settle with him privately. Thank you offer. Diane, I love you guys from Hamburg, Germany. Collins Amankwa, we love you right back. God bless you. Tom Paul says she called them a petition, but she actually also advertised it. Hey, eya semu, eya sempa, inipa no. Me comment name Yabua Maxwell says who, but Koowaa, you're still showing this program. We are not. We're a story there, but we can talk about it. You better see a book. No, it's a story number, but we are not prepared to discuss this. I've put this in my dustbin. Thank you, heavy duty. Well done, Diane. Yes. Maybe my telephone line is not to me. You have a phone 0202668462. And now share my voice on say there's more power. 0202668462. Friday and Shabra, some stories are not really welcome on our platform. It's in the dustbin. Freya and I call. This one say you guys are even letting him trend. It's heavy duty. You brought an emoji. Say, hey, buddy, we'll be our Freya, you have 5 calls in our call. Me pacho. Mami chame home city and me fa. Ye man me fa. Mo calls no. Stay with us. Ye basi here.
Adi. Oi.
And no who dreaded there. You could debrel. Who said that will complain with Sissini Koowaa? Epe Ajiwakade. That's ye. A ye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kona kwa Jodi.
I just append for 1 woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA, I should share a Jadian Katuimu. Ajia to Musa a ye.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yamaye.
Yo, man, this is the nation's anthem.
0202668462. But I'm a bit my friend about 0202668462. Give me a call. 61 rather. Okay, sorry. Diane, that's okay. Well done. Of course. Heavy duty. Me do message. But don't forget before. Na they walk for hono. Yen kana yen pong. Jumedino. As that and comma Danny Kweku upon say Diane and more. We love you right back. And see for 0202668461. Fraying, you better call no. Let's just say you know what actually and comma. Mammy call YouTube and I mean shit. Send me your messages be her. Makai and also Eddie Amount and Sana. Yeah, sorry. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Skipping it. My first time I design about center from the design about capsules of just so when you design about capsules. Hello, good morning. 0202668461. This one say, please, if you won't discuss it, why did you actually? It is part of our program. The stories came, and we have the right to let you know that this is part of this. That is it. But what am I say? Until me comment. I think I've explained myself to you so that you really understood me or understand me. And to me call many man calling say, boss, please let's end it. Why? Nobody has a problem with anybody. What is your problem? You want a cup of tea? Hello, good morning. Hello, on WhatsApp quickly. Na can be and far. Hello, good morning. When to me and Naso. This one says Marvin again. Ojam. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Middle for what to say. Nice one. What you into?
Okay. I'm your friend Michael. The cafe free castle. Hello.
Please go ahead, it's you.
Okay. Me ofalumba ene ejabu down. Na madam say me brow down. I thought that issue the buy ya. Ngata yiba. Na onyema dia wa who sit down no. And the what you are using program be na as a wolf water. In fact, Emma Wunfu. One for you, Papa, to go for you, and so that
yeah, that's it. Hello, good morning. All right, Umbaya, I'll continue to read the message. Marvin.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yeah, my dear Pacho, Bodina in Tiwa. Arabi, let's hear you.
Remember, so Kwabi, you didn't guru did a little bit crack. Kwabi, I don't know anything. Maybe who is a right? Okay. Not the Casasako, the afraid of stage while without money in the we all know that says rich, I have many than only Saturday down. Don't get the use of friend of God.
One to me, Angela Swanche. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
My dear, Bodina Yanko.
Good morning.
Good morning, sweetheart. Yentiwa. At all, sweet me, Koso. Wadaroma, a kind of hold to make us, sir.
Make me that was a little clear. The penance, the foot shoe. But what can I say? We have to be there for you. Without saying that, in the future, we think here the person that can be played with the other city. That's why I did. Uncle Swan, my future, okay.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Watching your live for. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning, Patrick. Ain't you? Okay, into Adam.
We do open number. That time I am talking about
okay. All right. Thank you so much for calling us. Also, beat me about 0202668461. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
CD5, Pacho into you.
Hello.
Me Pacho me to one can. Let's go.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Pacho into you. Okay. Okay. Offer just so. I think say me for call the maybe in this show now, but then calling someone consider please. I actually
herbal mixture any edusa herbal capsules and no who jack as a pan and neck could be brown wunim a yama money mema edusa herbal mixture and you edusa herbal capsules a yoku kuni sisiya redruk simpa
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Snassi. Namen serve.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brand. Na eye me.
Na Edusa ya wase se me brabo we.
Sweetie, me be come mama adwamwa.
Hey! What does ye aye chuma?
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa jodi.
What can yeah,
I'm sorry. Obie to me no be. I just applying for.
But do you want me to sit like this? I would have to. You understand? My hands would have to do this. How can a host sit on TV and do this? No. So Evelyn, I think that one day I disagree with you. So please come back again. All right? You read media and some of Ojam who are ending. I have an interview coming up in Shebi. Yeah. Ojam, yeah. Baby, Unjobia. Offer echo. All right. Nice one. Everything for me, Chame Huamba. I have an interview, so stay with us if you want to know the interview I have for you. I'll be back.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could blend with sisini Koowaa. Epe ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. You could brown. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. A yoko ni sisiyari drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Snassi. Namen serve.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brand. Na eye me.
Hey! What does ye aye chuma?
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa jodi.
What can yeah,
I'm sorry. Obie to me no be. I just applying for. One woman for down for. Any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ahwehwe saa adwade nkrato yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Na nanom ahemfo apolisifoɔ asogyafoɔ obi bia wo fa kora me yɛbɔne a mehia no kora boa me na yɛnka no kora wɔ man mu ɛwɔ Kumawood TV
Ofa kwaba
yeah cool
esa bai ofa odi ho sɛn
jade to kwabena
asa de ebusa for me ka kyerɛ mo sɛ ɛna me wo interview baso but I have an interview with Miss Yaira Anipa na oye counselor oye physiologist oye relationship expert na no pay ye be share senior relationship mun se me sisi kakra na ya share no marketing kete concerning physiology and all kinds of stuff nene I would just
and changing your behavior to sort of intertwine with how things are going on in life.
Okay.
So you may go through some hardships and you use your mental strength to be able to go through them the same way you would do if you were happy. Figure is more intense because people always have something to say. So I think because he's been in the public eye for so long, he's now feeling the pressure of behaving a certain way. So the cracks are now.
What can you do to help him?
He needs to be able to. There's nothing you can do to help someone unless they admit that they have a problem. To say, I'm not happy, this is what's affecting me. Unless he says it, there's nothing anyone can do.
You can't and all that, but unless he comes to you, people. Yeah. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, because if I go to him, for example, and say, look, I've seen the way you're behaving, I want to help you, he could tell me, get lost. I'm not ready.
You're afraid of the bomb.
So unless he says, actually, you know what, this is not right.
Who actually was expecting a gift from a fiance during the Valentine's season, and the fiance couldn't actually offer her, and because of that, she's off. She can't do anything. She can't be of herself and all that. What can you also say about this? Is it really can gift and stuff like this actually affect a woman?
I think it depends on the individual. I would ask her, I'm like, why are you basing your whole relationship on one day?
Okay.
What about the way he treats you on all the other days except this one day?
Okay.
Can you buy chocolate yourself?
Valentine's is not all about chocolate. Chocolate is for babies.
You know?
So if you're growing up, a big girl like you, and probably then you're like, hey, I'm disorganized. I can't be happy because you didn't give me what I want.
I think you have to know your boyfriend's or fiance's, money issues. If you feel like he can do it, I'm sure if he loves you, he'll do it. But they need to have a chat about finances.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
So in a situation like this, when you see a woman going off, she's not happy because of probably the kind of things that she wanted from her man, and now she's troubled and all that. In that situation, would you have to go to the woman and then say something to her, or she also has to come to you before you can actually, as you being a relationship expert, that's why I'm asking you this. The woman has to come before you can actually also counsel her or say something to her, or you can also call by yourself and say, hey, I've seen you going through this and I have to help you do this, that.
Yeah, I could go in that sort of aspect because that's more to do with relationship. It's different when it's a bit more on the serious side. So in terms of that kind of relationship, I think sometimes women have to remember that men watch certain behaviors. Maybe he could have done it, but maybe the way she was acting, he's like, oh, okay, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to watch you for a bit and see how you act. And then if you act accordingly, then surprise, surprise, he may do it afterwards.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. And we say for many Miss Yajira Anita and education common or a psychologist or a counselor and a relationship expert, and see as you share relationship mukakra na ya hwe senia obi o ha ne na yesisa wutimi ho se nipa we senia wo si echo over the banner say oye ni normal bi no e normal bi ya ha no enti afi na watimi no television na Mr. Wada nka se de brofo ben Kumawood fo asese guso omo kan say because I say on teaching and I can no, forgive us, but I think I'll come back and then break it down. Sana Yako. Let me ask you, can you tell me something about the kind of counseling that you do?
I do a lot to do with mental health. I mean, my field itself is like serious injury, but I do a lot of counseling, a lot of relationship advice, people going through very serious relationships, cheating, how to deal with that. Do you take him back? Do you not? Those kind of situations. That's what I kind of specialize in.
Oh, okay. In such situation, they have to come to you as well.
Sometimes.
I asked that because if you don't come to me, I wouldn't be able to know problem.
Yeah. But you can see when someone is willing for help, and you can tell. So sometimes you sort of start off gentle, like, "Oh, are you okay?"
Okay. Maybe I can see she has a problem, but maybe I wouldn't be having a problem as well.
Sometimes.
So I wanted to say it again, repeat it. So W, take your time and then just say it.
So it's www.thezenway.co.uk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any telephone number?
And I've got the UK one.
Are you on social media?
I am on social media.
Okay, your platform.
So Instagram at the moment.
Okay.
I am starting the YouTube. So the YouTube will just be me talking about dilemmas that come in and how I solve them.
Okay.
Talking about lifestyle, positivity. So the Instagram is at the Zen Ways.
Okay.
With an S at the end.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much for having me.
I wish the conversation can just go on and on and on because I'm loving it. I wish you won't go.
Oh,
but unfortunately, I have to let you go.
Thank you so
much. So when are you
much.
leaving Ghana?
I'm in Achimota at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When are you leaving?
Oh, well, when I'm leaving, currently the 9th. I did extend it. I was supposed to leave this weekend, so I've extended it.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much one more time for coming.
No problem. Thank you.
Actually, we say for Yene Messi Yajira Anipa and Ichuchem Komo, or a psychologist, or a counselor, and our relationship.